Good morning students, welcome back our online classes Science 8th standard. Students, today we are going to continue our the first chapter crop production. So today we are going to learn about that our objective questions in your textbooks. So what are that we will discuss, that is the objective seeds. Okay students, so let us discuss about that. Answer in one word or a few words. In your textbooks there are so many objective questions are there. The objective types questions we will discuss, and you have to write in your notebook or in a textbook also by pencil. So see that there are so many C1, C2, C3, C4 like that types of fill in the blanks, MCQ questions, match the following like that questions are there. So you will discuss once, then after you will write in your notebook or in textbook. Okay friends. So let us see first objective questions. State whether the following statements are true or false. These statements are, some statements are false and some statements are true there. So we have to understand these questions and we have to select whether it is true or false. Okay, let us see first question. Potato is a kharif crop. Students, what is the kharif crop, what is the rabi crops, and what are the examples already I have told. So this question is what? It is a wrong question. It means false. Potato is not a kharif crop. It is a rabi crop. So you have to write that answer F. F means F for false. Second question. The first step in crop production is sowing of seeds. In previous classes already we have discussed about that. There are 7 basic practices are there. First one is preparation of a soil. But here given the first step in crop production is sowing of seeds. Sowing of seeds is not first step. What is that? Second step. So here given first step is in crop production is sowing of seeds. So what is that? That is false also. This statement also false. Damaged seeds sink in water. Third question given. Damaged seed sinks in water. That means what is the quality of seeds? Already we have told. Already I told you. Whenever some seeds will keep for the checking the what the quality in the water. Then if those are good quality of the seeds, they all seeds will sink into the water. That means it will stay at the bottom of the water. But when that is damaged, then it will float on the water. What question what is given? Damaged seeds sink in the water. So it is wrong statement, so we have to write the wrong false. Paddy is the fast grown in small plots called nurseries. Students, what is the nursery? I told you when that before putting the plants in that land on big area, where some crops we are keeping on a small area and gathering. Okay, after that whenever it will come some small plants will come, that we have to take out or pulled and will keep another one field. That is the small plant is called as a nursery. Say it is also one example of a paddy. You have almost all know paddy. Before that keeping that we are keeping on a small field gathering with. Okay, that is called as a nursery. So this statement is true. Plow is used for removing weeds. Yes, plow also using for turning of the soil, and it is also using for the removing weeds. Crop rotation reduces the soil fertility. Students, it is wrong answer, wrong statement. Why? Because whenever you are changing its crops, that time alternative nutrients will get. So this is wrong sentence. So it is very necessity to exchange. That means alternative crops you have to do in a same field. So it is called as the wrong statement. So it is false. Groundnut is a legume crop. What is that, friends? Yes, obviously it is a legume crop. Gram, moong, this is the groundnuts. This is true. Sprinkler system of irrigation is a wasteful method. Sprinkler system is very modern methods, so that is never be waste method. That is good method only. That's why it is a modern method, technical methods developed. So it is not a wasteful, so it is false. Okay students, these are the all the true false statements you should write in your notebook. Students, next BT came C2BT, that observe here all of you. What is that given, that you should see. Match the two columns. Here some given that and you observe that here which one, what is that. Okay. So students, pea and groundnuts, wheat and gram, paddy and maize, plowing, weeding. Here this side is rabi crop, loosening and turning of the soil, removal of the undesirable plants, legume plants and kharif plants. Okay students. So what is this? First of all, pea and groundnut. These are the, what is that? Legume plants. Okay. So which one that is? Wheat and gram is the rabi crop. Okay. So next, paddy and maize. Paddy maize kharif crop. Plowing, loosening and turning of the soil. Weeding is the removal of this. Are you clear? Observe students, pea and groundnuts, that is the answer 4. You can write also like this 4. This is answer wheat and gram is a first question, first rabi. Paddy and maize kharif crop, that is the 5th. Plowing is loosening, so this is second one. Weeding is the third answer. So we can do like this or you can match like this, whichever. Okay friends. So now we will go for the third question, that is the fill in the blanks. Okay friends. Now let us see. Grain and cerealous crops including what? This is grain and cerealous. These are the crops. Which one is grain also as well as cerealous? That is called as what? We can write also wheat and also rice. Wheat is also one grain. Okay. We can like this write it. Rice first you write grain here given. So rice and next wheat. Okay. Next, sowing of seeds by hand is called. What is that? Whenever that sowing of that, suppose paddy crops you are sprinkling like you are throwing, that is called as what? Broadcasting. What is that? Broadcasting. This method, this process, when at a time by manually by hands, we are throwing that seeds, putting in the soil, that is called as a broadcasting. Hoe is an agriculture tool used for hoe is one like a plow, like a hoe also is there one agriculture tool. So for what purposes? We are plowing for. Plowing for also hoe is used. Weedsides should be handled with care as these are the poisonous. Weedsides are the, what is that? Poisonous. Okay. Because carefully you have to use, whenever we are pesticides or weedicides we are using, you have to tie your cloth on your mouth and you have to use that. But don't without care, you have to take that precaution and you have to take that care. The first step in the crop production is, first step of the crop production already I have told in that. So that is what? Preparation of soil. The practices of leaving the field uncultivated is called what? Whenever we are that practicing of leaving field uncultivated is called as a following. What is that, students? Following. Manure obtained by the decomposition of dead plants and animals. Are there three types of manure I already have told? So whenever that we are getting that plants and animal, that is called as a compost. NPK fertilizer supplies N for nitrogen. It is supplies nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium also. Okay students, so these are the fill in the blanks. You should write on your textbook as well as on notebook also. Okay, so this your first chapter that already about this it has completed. Now MCQ question and all the things we'll discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you all.